Hi, good morning, everyone. We would be covering beginner session today, and we've been receiving a lot of questions from uh, new people in the house asking the same question, where do they start from? So I'll quickly jump into the website, which is babypips.com. This is where we all started from, and it is important for you to focus on what I will be sharing with you now. So go to www.babypips.com. As you can see at the background, this is the website. This is where we all started from. And I will be sharing the whole course with you in the Telegram group. So be sure to join the Telegram group so that you can have access to the full course from Baby Pips, from elementary stage to the advanced. So to make the journey faster, we have the complete course in PDF file. So for you to have access to further information, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell so that you can get notification. So let's quickly dive into this, because immediately after this, we'll be going into TradingView, which which is the website we all analyze the chart from. Then after you understanding TradingView charts, you can join any broker of your choice, which you must have done your own background check concerning the broker you would like to trade with, which is the MT4. Then immediately after that, we will go to the candlestick differentiation and why we adopt candle movement to represent the price. So first thing you do on babypips.com is that you want to understand the fundamentals to Forex trading by registering for a beginner's course, which will take you to the professional level, depending on how you are able to assimilate. And that's the reason why we are here to assist you further in your development. So first, from the website, you can join by signing up with them. You can click join and sign up with your email and create a password. So where we'll be focusing on is Learn Forex. So let's click on that right away. So you will see School of Pipsology, which is where we want you to focus on as a beginner. This will guide you into understanding the history and the technical analysis of the Forex market. So you click on Start Learning. So it will bring you to this page. So you can now click on Start Forex, Start Course. So immediately after you complete a section of the course, you can test yourself by answering the questions that will be provided accordingly. So we've clicked on Start Course now. So this is the process. So you can browse through. This is preschool. That is the information you need to understand even before you open any chart. So what is Forex? How do you trade Forex? All these informations are there. All you need to do is just to click and have access to those information. This is where we all started from. And that is why we always emphasize in the group that you have to put in the work. Nobody will be reading this to your ear. You have to read. If you have questions, you can go ahead and ask. So this is where we all pass through. So when you are done with that course and you finish testing yourself using their quiz, you can come to kindergarten. So that means you've proceeded from this stage to kindergarten stage, then after elementary, and so on and so forth. So I hope you guys understand this process to learning as a beginner. Then we'll move to the trading view. So TradingView, it's an upgrade to MT4, which we have a lot of clarity in the TradingView website. When we started, there was nothing like TradingView. All we had was the MT4, and it was terribly hard for us to get in line with the Forex market. It was terrible. We lost a lot of money in the process of learning, paid to some mentors. Well, credits to them, but at the point in time, we have to just find a way to get better in the journey. And TradingView has helped a lot of us in analyzing the chart. So if you sign up with tradingview.com using your email, then the first thing you'll be seeing is this page. But don't worry, I would walk you through the process of having access to the chart, because if you are not familiar with it, you may not be able to have access. So they just go to product, then click on chart. As I said earlier, subscribe right away and click on the notification bell. So here you have a chart. So as it is, I think this is an existing chart. So we would remove all this because we are focusing on beginner. So at first you will have candles. These are called candles, for which in our next video we'll be focusing on how to analyze all these candles, how to look at what individual candle is saying, because each candle represents this time frame, but we will dive into that later. But only those who subscribe will get notification on the next video. So basically we have some tools here. These are the tools that will help you into analyzing the chart. You have the cross share, you have the trend line. Basically what we focus on is the trend line, the horizontal line. We have this cross line too, but as time goes on, you will understand how to apply the usage of all these tools. Then here you have currency. You can type in the currency pair you like we trade most of the time Great Britain, Australian dollar. Then sometimes we trade other currencies too. Then you can search through this by GBP. Let's say we want to search for BBP USD. So all you need to do is just to click, but we use Oanda most of the time. So you can use Oanda. There are also brokers providing all this information for us. So this is Oanda as a broker. So Great Britain USD. Then this section is where you have the time frame. We locked all this time frame according to how we analyze the chart. So you have multiple time frames for which each candle in each frame represents the time period for which the candle will use in burning. So for example, 30 minutes time frame, one candle will move and close, we open and close within the space of 30 minutes. 1 hour candle, if we click here to 1 hour time frame, it simply means one candle represents 1 hour. That is, if you see a very long candle, this very long candle right here represents it happened within the space of 1 hour. And in the same way, this tiny candle also move, open and close within the space of 1 hour. The same thing applies to 4 hours. This very big candle move within the space of 4 hours. And this very tiny candle also move within the space of 4 hours as time goes on. But we do not trade in a candle isolation. Sometimes you need to look at a group of candles before you can make decision in the market. Sometimes you need to look at individual candle with combination of other strategies for you to make a decision in the market. So that is the time frame. Yeah, you can switch between the chart you will prefer to set your chart on. You can choose to use back charts, but I won't want you to bother yourself with this because majority of traders use the Japanese candlestick, which is where we are at the moment. So we have indicators. Those who use these indicators or those who combine indicator with price action, you have chunk of indicators right here in this column, and it is important for you to design the method that works for you, the indicator that suits your kind of trading style. So for now, I think that is all we'll be needing in this session. And as I said earlier, it is important for you to subscribe because the next video will be focusing on the chart in depth, explaining what individual candle means, how they move in the market. And we will also develop further into designing or analyzing the charts by breaking down how the candle actually move in the market and the patterns to which we would like to trade or what you would like to see. But make sure you understand what Baby Pips is actually teaching so that you can be able to relate with the chart properly. So as time goes on, we'll be able to understand how the market move, which that is where we'll be able to explain candle differentiation. And this training will be put to an end now. Thank you.